5.1 your choke mouth station and I love the fact we be so I know the people where they're inside the building and already they send your messages before time. Okay, so we get the BBN season 7 new victims in the building and yes, big love for Amaka. I miss her in the house. Where is Muddy baby? Can we see her? Please join the conversation on Facebook with a stream live and also with a stream live for YouTube. Find Wazobia FM to feel watch their beautiful faces now. Actually, the camera know they do justice to this beauty. Hi, Modella. Please, I'm gonna need to make you wear your headphones and then Emmanuel, please help closer. Yes, and Amaka too. Amaka, they look tired when I don't drag them up and down. Sorry, baby girl. Tea or coffee? No worry, we'll get chocolate royal here. Please, her own mic too. Her own mic, yes. Okay, so we hit the ground running. I get Modella in the building. Hello, baby.
Hello.
Yes, they hear you. Machiavellians, how are you? I love the energy. Okay, so I follow for the people who carry placard. Oh no, don't do this. We don't like them. But make we start from you, Amaka. Now, welcome back. You don't come down, like you don't relax now. You're better. Yeah. Everything there okay. Yeah. Okay, so I need to ask you, make a reverse back to the beginning, and everybody want here get a particular conversation where they want told to and all that, but I want to ask you originally from the first day where you start Big Brother. Yeah, you've been coming with plenty vibes where you bring in and all that, but I want to talk about you and Fina, the relationship or the sisterhood.
Yeah.
Tell me about then and tell me how you feel now. Yes, I like that heave.
Who dey?
Oh, Amaka, so yes, tell me.
Funny enough, I feel good towards Fina.
Okay.
Before I got evicted, I just felt like we fell out some type of way. Just due to the whole Chi and whatever saga. For me, I felt like I have proved my loyalty to her. So if I was saying that to her, even if she does not have enough evidence at that point to believe me, for the fact that she has known me all this while, and she has not been with these people, if I were to be in her shoes, I would have said, you know what, I don't want to know, but I'm going to stand by my friend.
So it's supposed to be Amaka, I know, but the rest?
I don't know.
Exactly.
You get me? How I would have handled it. But if she handled it a different way, personality difference. But when I was crying, it was from the point of view, like, I've shown you reasons that you should trust me. You understand? And this mission, you were the one that sent me to, like, you told me to tell Chichi.
Yes.
You understand? I'm sure everybody could remember.
We watch.
You understand? So when I was now trying to explain myself after the eviction show, then you started saying, you talk too much. Like, you were supposed to either help me or just leave it. At least allow me to express my emotion. It was eating me because I'm very extroverted. So things like that, people will easily say, nah, Amaka talk calm. You understand? So it was eating me. That's why it was like as if I was going on and on about it.
And nobody they understand them.
They were not understanding.
So
me.
you don't feel that same way where you feel from the beginning now because of all those things that happen?
I cannot judge her personally.
Yes.
Everybody has come up with their own whatever. Fina is this, Fina is that.
Yeah.
I will not be, just like what I said in my last diary section before I got evicted. I will not be quick to write her off. You understand?
Yes.
But we'll keep watching that space. She might have her own
reason why she behaved the way she behaved.
Whatever you get.
Reunion will tell. Modella.
Yes.
Good to have you here, baby girl. Thank you. Say you come on top of Wazobia FM. We don't expect you. Meanwhile, some of my people they carry placard for Brian, so I go know how you go take a scale of that and to explain to them what it really happened. But we could talk about you and being a fake housemate. Tell me how it really make you feel. From the beginning, you've been noticing and waiting you be this, or they been tell you
Yeah, they told me like not long from when I entered that same day.
And also now they try finding herself, but then this pigeon goes try come out small later, right?
Okay.
Yes.
You go
So
come out.
yes, it will come out. So yeah.
So the whole fake housemate thing, like I didn't know before. Like it's not like an information that I got like way back. I got it like the same day I was entering. So it's actually even messed with my performance that day. Like I was not as excited as I should
now
have
I
been.
get it.
Yeah. So I just and like it is Big Brother. Hey, like.
And then bam for door they just tell you say
you're going to be a fake housemate, not at the door though.
Yes,
like,
no, just
day, like just while I was dressing up. So it gets as it in, do me, shake me somehow. I know today happy, but I just say this platform big go. I know if you just say because say I they go as fake housemate. Some people still want me, they still be that fake housemate. They never say so make I just go. So now how I take enter that.
But you think say na because you be fake housemate or they finally tell you say na waiting you be, it affect your game?
It affects me honestly because all of these things like still boils down to your mental health. I don't prepare for a game. People don't enter first week. I never enter. I still dey down. I still dey think wetin happen, wetin shey I don't perform. I was just, it was a lot of things to process. Then that day they can't say, oh, you're going in as a fake housemate. I don't even get time to think. Another time, sometimes like this, I'm trying to speak.
Yes, the pigeon, it go come.
Sometimes you get time to digest something well. You go no say, okay, now the thing be this. But now inside the house, me I can't digest that because I never hear. So it don't me somehow. But at the end of the day, I go just say, okay, I day here, I don't day here. Make I still try pull myself together, do it in like just pull myself out there. So
we when they watch from outside, you mean feel like say, why model I know they carry out task where they give them now. So now I understand waiting really happen. Yeah. Okay, so not be say if you carry out the task because some of the guys be like say they pull weights. For the work where they give them, so it can't be like say model no carry out in own. But now I could talk about you and Brian.
Okay.
Yes, it gets something where we need to understand. Tell me really, truly, baby girl, how that feelings there with Brian?
Me and Brian, we are friends. Like we're really, really cool. Honestly, we
This
have an
friends
understanding. We have a very good understanding, and you know how it is in the house. Everybody's just vibing and just cool. Do you understand?
Now vibing. Some people want. You see somebody want marry. Big go soon share as well.
Those people they plan marriage. Me, I never plan marriage. No. I never plan. I still they look as this go be, but we're just cool and all of that and playing our games. I just feel like nobody say person go come here, can't tie himself as sheep or say if they sheep.
So you understand that thing?
Yes, now.
But why you not tell some of your housemates?
Say if they tell people that kind of thing, they go feel like say maybe they happy say they date together. And besides, everybody love me, then they in love. Do you get? The only thing is just that make people just try no make them affect their game because.
But now 100 million will come for no be love.
So if na marriage, if you don't see 100 million when na marriage, you see you go own one now. you go own one for hand. So now one person go just win the 100 million. Not be say they want share and just one person.
But girl, that is what they win now. Money they yakpa. Amaka, now make I talk about you and Giddyfia. Okay.
Voila.
I know they finish. But yeah, I guess I know how I go follow you talk. I no go mention Giddyfia. But maybe make I know. Make I really hear from you directly how you feel about Giddyfia, and then how the conversation come from. I they feel you too. I no feel you again too. In fact, I want make you come up for this house because the last nomination you nominate, I mean nominate you too. Amaka, tell me where it truly go left between you and Giddyfia. Please.
Wow.
I'm sorry, darling. You see, I apologize before time.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes.
Between me and Giddyfia, it was a thing of be careful what you wish.
For?
You get. So for me, I don't talk my own thing, so I like Giddyfia. As they collect the one way, the man where I like before now.
You see, I no talk that one now. You go there now.
So let me talk now. So I can't say make I channel this my energy to somewhere else, because if I know they vex, because some people might think, oh, as Amaka no been they vex for Fina, nah fake. You understand? True. I've been get emotions.
Yes.
You understand? But I channel those emotions to another place. I can't channel them to Giddyfia.
Yeah.
If you watch that day that thing happened, it was the day I just went straight to go and sit with Giddyfia. So
yes.
all my annoyance, I can't channel them. I can't choose them. Everything I can't put them that side to come on my mind from where.
From waiting don't happen already.
From waiting don't happen already to me.
Mm-hmm.
So when they come merge us together, me and Giddyfia, we just click.
Yeah.
And we no go click like that if something no been there before. It just shows say we been done, they communicate, they anticipate the merger.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So, but from all those ones now, all the drama, Diana did there.
Rachel.
Initially, she tell me say she no like him. I can't dey hear another story from housemates.
Yes.
Then Rachel own matter, I dey hear another story. You understand? So the whole thing just scatter my head. Then I can't say, you know what? It be like say we go just be friends, because me, I dey sabi observe. I can't see say the boy they try play one smart one.
Yes, you think say in they use the ladies to feel they relevant, to just like feel like a player, feel like somebody where they in the game.
Diana been talk that one.
Yes,
but me myself, I been ask am. He tell me say no, but I just dey wonder say how, because if you see this kind drama, you go want solve the problem, but the thing be say I no really know whether that one na in game. But for me, e no been dey real with me.
all right.
Even if we dey do vibes on vibes, I believe say you suppose
At least vibes they real sometimes.
yes, you need to, because no be Fina vibes on vibe where they don't enter serious relationship.
Yeah.
We need to start on a truthful plane. You understand that kind of thing. So the whole drama was too much. And you see, as I been try protect me and Diana friendship.
Yeah.
They try protect everything. You get. So it was just a crazy merger for me. It was crazy. You remember say I still like Amo.
Yeah.
You get. So again, I was just like, you know what? This is not worth it. Make we just be friends. And this relationship is no even work outside the house. So make I know they step on too many toes of people that are dear to me. So now so the whole thing just scatter. Then when Ebuka come talk say him and Rachel get talk for bathroom or
and so now the first time when you go here, I'm when Ebuka mention them.
no,
You be no.
Diana don't already tell me
you.
but I no believe. She say Rachel been come out, they cry, I be they waiting, I don't know. So me I come they say now wow, you sure say no be immaturity they do this boy, I be now waiting, I know just
na strategy for us.
You understand? So me I just they try reason am. Then the next day Buka come hit am say you guys had a moment in the bathroom and I was like, how can this human being, you go they cuddle me for bed, this same Rachel dey for your corner, you go say let me stay with my babe, and again you don't even do 2 days, you don't they have a moment with waiting they give you the mind. You understand? So for me it was like, this is way too much. You must have been intentionally trying, you know what you are doing. That's how I felt though. And anybody can say whatever they want to say, but this one on my own talk.
Opinion be this. Wow. Modella, I want to hear about your sisterhood with I don't know now. I go like talk about Allison, then I go like talk about Doing. The connection between you and these two different people. Then make it be say now only Brian. No. Make I no drag another person inside. So tell me about Doing and Allison.
Yeah, so like I feel like they both have this very beautiful soul. They are calm. So personally, for friendship, I don't like forcing things. I like when everything happens naturally. So it was natural. After like the mergers, we had more time to spend with each other. We had more time to talk about ourselves. You know, me and Allison had the same portion. I would clean everyone. I would go call her, okay, let's come and clean. It was just natural. It was nothing forced. Nobody's forcing herself on that other person. And Doyin has a very beautiful soul. We had conversations about outside the house, our lives before we got in the house, and we had a lot of similarities, so we could just blend in to each other so easily. So it was just like a friendship that happened naturally. And yeah, it was really, really cool for me. It was really beautiful for me.
All right, Lagos, and you get plenty questions to ask, but they take my time because plenty of I want to talk about something. I don't want to talk anything we're gonna make anybody feel sad here. And they don't come out already. Yes, they don't come out, and they're about to take over. No matter how you feel, please no vex for me say I no go that way with you. I just want Amaka to be very happy as much as we want her to be. Okay, so sorry for all the questions where you the same for me here. Now I go like also but make I take a little break anyway. Once I come back, I go like talk about moving forward, because now the major things where people they look out for, and all the plans where when I get to, and things where when I get to do and all that. The fans won't make I talk about one or two, but no, we're not going to do that one for at least for today on. No, I say no. Thank you.
The English.
You never download the Wazobi.
Focus on with that right now.
Majorly, I like that. Get it.
Yeah, get the bag. That's what matters.
All right, Maka, I could talk to you, baby girl. Tell me, moving forward, what will be all the big plans where you get for us?
You know, before I go enter that one, I just want to reiterate the me Fina relationship.
Okay.
Me Giddyfia relationship.
Yeah.
You see these two people, they be amazing people on their own. Fina, if she no be amazing person, I no go become her friend.
Yeah.
And I no go they fight for our friendship. So inside that house, many dramatic things they happen. Sometimes your brain self fit just the touch. You understand? So once me and Fina come outside, or once Fina come outside, I say me and Fina. Once Fina come outside,
All right.
our relationship go dey smooth. We go talk out things, because I know say she no get bad intention for me.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Then the whole Giddyfia matter, in as much as say I dey vex, and some things where I dey talk now from point of I no been like this kind thing, I no like this kind package. You understand? But Giddyfia, make I put am out there, say na amazing person.
All right.
In dey very intelligent. That boy in brain dey very intelligent.
I
and
don't
in
see
dey
any
creative.
brain. I know, maybe now you make me know. I don't see any intelligent way intelligent. I beg. Maybe you don't make me know. See, not defend them here.
Mona dey look, he dey
No,
intelligent, he dey creative.
Thank you,
He
Amaka.
sabi laugh.
Thank you, Amaka. Sabi laugh. Now
Abeg.
that laugh, now you go make it laugh outside. Yeah, Mak will talk about baby girl.
Okay,
more
so
things where you get plans.
very
Not
good.
defend Giddyfia. Leave them.
So more things where I get planned for. As you see, as my skin they pop like this now. Oh God, billionaire skin. So now I get plans for my skin.
Yes.
I get plans for OAP.
Okay.
You know, our Jazeera and CNN.
Awesome. Yes.
We're not giving up, bro. So we got plans for OAP.
Okay.
Influencing your lingeries.
Okay.
I'm going
Awesome.
to take care of you. You remember my pool parties now?
Nice.
Party.
Nice.
So influencing your lingeries.
Okay.
And your appliances and many more. Yes. Remember, say Amaka na foodie. Oh my God. I got you covered.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Now make I also talk about who you think say go win a Big Brother for this year. Amaka. Who you really they strong about and you love to make that person win them.
You see, say I no go feel no, but I think say
you don't come out now. You don't see.
Win. Fina fit win between the both of them. Now the two people where I dey see say feel win the money.
You know, they take my time. The kind of question where I ask you, but I really want to make you tell me in one word how you feel when they tell you say that you they don't evict from the house.
My sister.
I feel that is Biggie they playing game now, and no be Biggie come out you.
Yeah, no be Biggie.
Yes,
I feel like if it was left for people, my Amazon billionaires.
No,
would
Mikey
have
billions
never.
not come out by
Oh,
now.
my people, people that I love so much.
Yeah,
they would have never allowed me. But since it was just a game, and again, I knew that I would have been up, but I did not know that it was going to
So
be
it
an
just happen
instant eviction.
Okay.
Then I remember say I've been a tell Donny about my dream where I get.
Yes, you're not prophetess now. No,
You know, say every week back to back, I've been a dream of everything we go happen for the house. I tell Modella, say I see me and her they shop, and now no be me and Modella. I say I get dream.
Why you want open church now?
Not just on
the tithe and offering now.
The next week, I see myself. I come there everywhere where I go for the house. They close up the diary room. Everywhere they close up.
Wow.
New wall with colorful designs.
Wow. Amaka, when they open church, I beg.
My dear, if you like say I go open, no, I go so open church.
May the Lord speak to you now.
Yes,
please. Okay, so Modella, tell me who you they root for. We go feel winner for the year.
Well,
no mention Brian. Me I go.
Of course, I'm rooting for Brian. I want Brian to win the money.
Oh,
yes. I'm rooting for Brian, Daniela, and Doyi. Actually,
Brian, Daniela, and Doyi. Yeah. Which relationship you think say really they sincere in that house?
Well, the one where we fit see where I think they sincere the most, Sheiks and Bella. Now, wow, whenever
now like that you go want make your relationship day.
No, the thing is just
Modella.
I be the talk.
Modella, truthfully.
No, I be the talk and say sometimes. Me, I like space. I know if you do my own. Yes, I like space. Not be say too much, but me if you do your own thing, me if you do my own thing. Not be say me would dey into each other's space all the time.
You go like your relationship today like Bella and Sheiks.
I know how I want their relationship with that. My own relationship.
Modella just they run around this my way. Amaka, you go want make your relationship be like Bella and Sheiks.
I love the closeness. So
closeness.
I really love. I enjoyed watching them. In short, one of my favorite housemates in the house was Sheiks.
Why?
There's just something. There was one day I was having cramps, and I told Sheiks like, Sheiks, you know what? Please, if the food is ready, come and call me. For me to look at all the guys, everybody in the house, and put that responsibility on Sheiks.
You know, put them on Giddyfia.
No, and leave Giddyfia, Matana.
Maybe I been leave am before Amaka carry me go there.
No, I better leave him.
Okay.
So for me to choose him, that he should come and call me, and you know how food been day scarce like that. You know, say. The boy don't show a level of responsibility.
So Amaka, you go like make your relationship be like Bella and Sheiks relationship, serious relationship for Lagos.
From the eyes of a
no for Lagos, serious relationship for Lagos.
I beg, from the eyes of a housemate, I'll say yes, because I know they know their intimate conversations. But I cannot say from the eyes of a viewer.
Anyway, we would watch how they see them. I know they wish anybody that relationship. Thank you. So with them, and they wait for them. They go come here. Go come my seat. No wala. So where the people go follow you, Modella? Where they go follow you on top social media platform?
Okay, make una follow me for Instagram at APET_Modella, Instagram and Twitter, and for TikTok it get __ the same name. And on my YouTube, I get YouTube channel where they do lifestyle and beauty content. Make una follow me, APET Modella TV.
Awesome, Mama, can you too, baby girl?
You say this thing they had to remember, but
please
try. Make una follow me for that is THE_real_Amaka for Instagram, and for Twitter make una follow me for
take your time,
Amaka_.
Mikey Billion supposed do this thing now. Change am sharp.
Wow. I beg, una go see my Twitter handle for my Instagram
page, right?
For my Instagram
or bio or something.
You go see them. Make una follow me on my beautiful people. Even if you be another person fan, you fit still follow me.
Of course.
We are open. We will welcome you. We love you.
Thank you, baby girl. Thank you, Modella and Amaka. So now come inside the building. I love you, girls. And please rule your word. We will continue to cheer you and continue to support. Anything you need from us, we are here to support you, okay? Lagos, we go take that break. I will come back to you next to go be Women's Corner.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You